What's the meaning of chain letter? Chain letter. Chain letter.
Chain letter. Chain letter. A chain letter is a type of message that is sent from one person to another, with the request that it be forwarded on to many more people. The idea is that each recipient will forward the message to several others, creating a chain of messages. Chain letters often contain warnings or promises of good luck or fortune, and may threaten bad luck if the message is not forwarded. While some people believe in the power of chain letters, there is no evidence to suggest that they actually have any effect.